it's Diane and I'm back again to continue with our April quilt. It is a Robert Kaufman Kona Cotton Calendar quilt. We are doing stained glass, and previously I constructed my first 3 rows. I took them to the iron and I pressed my sashing towards, or my block so that my sashing went in, pressed in. And I have my first 3 rows completed, so I want to show you now adding the strip to the bottom. So I'm going to take my first row and I'm going to take my first strip and I'm going to find out where the center of that strip is. So I'm just going to lightly kind of finger press it so that I know approximately where that center is. And then I'm going to take my block, and again I'm going to fold it and kind of find out approximately where the center of my block is. And then I'm going to line those up and I'm going to stitch that down. Grab the tail of my thread there. All right. All right, so I've sewn the first sashing strip to my first set of blocks. Again, the directions ask you to press it towards your sashing, so in a few minutes I'll go to the iron and I will do that. But here is my second row. Again, I'm going to do the same kind of process. I'm going to just fold this in half. I want to find out approximately where that center is. Give it a little bit of a finger press so that I can see where that is. I'm going to take my sashing strip and I'm going to fold it in half. I want to try and center this the best that I can on my block, my row of blocks. And then again, I'll just sew that sashing strip on. When I'm finished, I'll take it to the iron and press all those towards the sashing strip. All right, here is my second row. Now at this point, I am not going to join my rows together yet. I'm going to construct all 17 of my rows, and then I will come back and I will assemble, I believe it's the first 8 and then the second, the first 8 rows together and then rows 10 through 17 together, and we'll lay it out and we'll show you that part of the construction also so that you're not confused about the directions. Again, you can follow us on YouTube for tips and tricks. You can subscribe, you can like our videos, and we are also on Instagram and Facebook. I hope that you'll join us. This is going to be a quick, simple quilt for April, and hopefully very soon we will be doing our big quilt reveal. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.